ERPZEN, your trusted space for mastering Oracle Fusion Finance. In today's session, we will dive into creating values in accounting value sets, a crucial step for ensuring accuracy and compliance in your financial workflows. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a clear and practical way. So let's get started. When we define GL accounts, there is a specific format, and that is one for assets, two for liabilities, three for owner's equity, four for revenue, five for COGS, and six for expenses. So let's jump into the system and see how we can define values in accounts value set. Click on your username, click on setup and maintenance, search for the task called manage chart of accounts, values, set values. Now click on these tasks, xx underscore ERPZEN, hit search. Now select accounts value set and click on manage values. Click on create button to create values. First, 10,000 is for total assets, and here we are able to see one more field called account type, and it can also be called as segment qualifiers. Starting from summary up until financial category, we can call them as segment qualifiers. And it does how you want to control the value, it will be determined by the segment qualifier. And since total assets is a parent value, summary flag should be yes, and the nature of the account is asset, and in account type you have to select the value asset. Here reconcile means in a month I will be entering lots and lots of transactions, and at the month end the balances should become zero. There are few accounts which you can call them as clearing accounts, and those accounts should always be zero at month end. And if those accounts are not zero, it means we have not completed entire transactions. To know whether these balances become zero, those clearing accounts will be flagged them as yes, so that when you run the reconciliation program, the balances for these accounts should be zero. Now click on create. Say now I want to create 11,100 current assets, and since it is a parent, set summary as yes, account type as asset. Click on create. 11,100 cash at bank, and the summary is no, and the account type is asset. 11101 Bandhan Bank, and the summary is no, and the account type is asset. 11102 RBL Bank, and the summary is no, and account type is asset. Eluri Bank, 11103 Eluri Bank, and the summary is no, and account type is asset. 11200 cash in hand, and the summary is yes, and account type as asset. 11201 petty cash, and the summary is no, and account type is asset. 11202 cash, the summary is no, and account type as asset. 11300 sundry debtors, sundry debtors, and summary is yes, since it is a parent value, and account type as asset. 11301 accounts receivable, and summary is no, and account type as asset. 11302 trade receivables, and summary is no, account type as asset. 11303 intercompany receivables, and the summary is no, and account type as asset. How we determine the value set as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And this is the space between one parent to another parent, and we can define, and here the space between this parent and this parent is 99. So we can define 99 child values between these parents. And now we will define 2000, 20,000 liabilities. Set account type as yes since it is a parent value and account is liability. Account type is liability. And 30,000 equity, equity summary is yes since it is a parent value and account type as owner's equity. 40,000 revenue summary is yes since it is a parent value and account type as revenue. 60,000 expenses, and since it is a parent value set summary to S and account type as expense. Hit save, save and close, save, save and close, click home. That's how you create values in accounts value set in Oracle Fusion. I hope this walkthrough made the process simple and easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments and I will happily help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.